Welcome to the 200 interview topic series. You can repeat the answers after the beep. Let's get started.
Question number 1. Do you like to wear a watch?
Yes, I like to wear a watch because it helps me keep track of time. It allows me to be more organized and efficient in my daily activities. A watch can also be a very stylish accessory that can help to complete a look.
Question number 2. What kinds of watches do you like to wear?
I like to wear different kinds of watches, from traditional dress watches to more modern ones. I also like to wear watches with different features. I also favor watch bands that are both comfortable and fashionable, such as leather or metal bands.
Question number 3. How often do you wear a watch?
On a daily basis, I usually wear a watch. It's an excellent way for me to keep track of time, stay organized, and look fashionable.
Question number 4. What was the first watch you liked?
My first favorite watch was a classic Casio. The design was simple, with a white face and a black leather band. The watch was classic and elegant, and it complemented any outfit.
Question number 5. Do people still wear watches in your country?
People in my country, yes, still wear watches. Wristwatches are a timeless accessory that can be dressed up or down for any occasion. Watches are also a useful tool for keeping time and staying organized.
Question number 6. Why do you think some people like to wear expensive watches?
Some people enjoy wearing expensive watches as a symbol of wealth and success. Expensive watches are often of higher quality than lower-priced watches, and they can be a great long-term investment. Furthermore, owning an expensive watch can be an excellent way to make a statement and demonstrate one's good taste.
Question number 7. Have you received watch as a gift?
Yes, I was given a watch as a gift. The watch was made of stainless steel and had a black leather band. I was touched that someone had thought of me and taken the time to select something so special for me. It was a thoughtful present.
Question number 8. In which way can a watch be useful?
A watch can be useful in a number of situations. It is a useful tool for staying organized and keeping track of time. A watch can also be a fashionable accessory that helps to complete a look. Wristwatches can also be used to start a conversation or make a statement.
Question number 9. Did you wear a watch when you were a child?
Yes, I used to wear a watch as a child. My first watch was a straightforward but stylish Casio. I enjoyed wearing it, and it assisted me in learning how to tell time. It also reminded me to stay organized and complete my tasks on time.
Question number 10.
Do you think children should wear a watch? Yes, I believe that children should wear watches. It is an excellent way to teach them how to tell time and stay organized. Wearing a watch can also help children become more independent and responsible. You can subscribe to the channel to get easy access to all future uploads. Happy learning. Thank you very much.